Why does your scanner show the P0406 engine code? What does it mean? P0406 is a diagnostic trouble code for exhaust gas recirculation, EGR sensor A, circuit high. This engine code indicates that the problem requires repair, as it can lead to increased NOx emissions, engine stalling, and engine surging, though short-distance driving may be permitted until it can be fixed. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty EGR valve or sensor, carbon buildup, wiring issues, vacuum leaks, damaged electrical connector. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford F-150 and Honda Accord models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.